Welcome back to our driving vlog. Okay, so a little struggle to get out of this road because all the cars are parked on the both of the sides, and this is a nice tango that we have to play between two cars when we are stuck in the middle of this. So this is something really interesting, and you're gonna see that this takes up a lot of our time just to get out of this road. And this is the fun part that I enjoy every single day. My car started to sound like an aeroplane, and I figured out why is that. So the compressor, the AC, air conditioner, oh my goodness, what's wrong? There's a roadblock for some reason. ডান দিকে বেরোবো, গাছ কাটতেছে। Okay, ঠিক আছে। So they're cutting down all the trees so that it is not a hazard for the cars that are being parked everywhere. There are instances that tree fell on cars, and these are beautiful trees. They're not cutting the entire tree down. That is a good thing. What they're doing is they're cutting the branches of the trees so that it does not fall on top of the cars. Okay. I don't know whether my camera is being able to capture that sound, but whenever I accelerate and the compressor is on, my car starts to sound like an aeroplane taking off. So this is interesting. This is what I'm loving about this. Sounds like a Tesla. No, Tesla doesn't have any sound. Sounds like all those electric cars conversion that is happening these days. Somebody converted an Audi A8, I guess, an Audi A8 into an electric car that has this sound. Whenever it accelerates, it sounds like an aeroplane. Hello, Mr. Big Bus. Yeah. Let me pass very gently. I'm going to change the compressor of the AC, otherwise it will clog the entire condenser, the chamber which is here, and ruin my entire AC system. So as soon as possible, I need to change the compressor so that it doesn't affect any of the other devices. this is the season for all these beautiful pink flowers blooming. They are called the Krishnachura, and it's gonna get the entire stretch of these roads. They will be red, pink, and orange. So this is something that I look forward to every year, and we're definitely gonna show you this. We're gonna enjoy the beautiful flowers. Thank you for not passing the road. I mean, not crossing the road. It would have been very difficult for me to brake. Oh my god, there is a accident. I don't know whether you can see. It's a biker who crashed. I used to be a biker. I had my bike for 14 years and I rode it every single day. On the first bike that I sold, I had almost 11,000 kilometers on it, and the second motorbike I had 35,000 kilometers on it. So I have rode my fair share of bikes everywhere. I don't ride it anymore because it's getting very difficult in this traffic situation. So I prefer not to ride my motorbikes. Okay, VIP movement. This is how they do it. So the car in the middle that you can see, the Land Cruiser, is someone very high up. That's why he or she getting this protocol. Let me get the advantage of it. If I ride behind them, nobody will stop me. They will think I'm part of the posse. So yeah, why not? But I have to go left. I think I missed it. Still there is an opportunity. So the azan is happening and I'm going to call it a day. Catch you in the next one.